Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm here to unbox the April 2021 Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box. There's something really special in the box this month that I want to share with you, and it actually involves our Happy Days fabrics and a pattern that I designed. So I have had a heads up since the end of last summer, beginning of the fall, that I was going to be doing this fun project for the next 12 months with the Sew Sampler Box. So I'm excited to share with you about this month's box and projects. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started opening this box. As I mentioned before, I have a fun project that will be included in the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Boxes for the next 12 months, and I'm excited to show you that and talk about it. Also, I'm excited to share these products with you because this is the 5th anniversary of the Sew Sampler Box. And so Fat Quarter Shop did kind of a special box. The theme is Town Square. And first we have this really great sewing themed project bag. I love this because it's 10 inches wide and almost 9 inches tall. So just a great size to store things if you're going on a trip or need to take something in the car. You don't even have to put sewing things in it. Such a cute sewing themed bag. Love this. It's a really nice kind of a canvas and super cute. Save that for the end. We have the fabric this month is the Bonnie and Camille Sewing Summer Sunday Stroll Collection. So they've given you 6 cute fat quarters, a red, an aqua, a green. I love this kind of dark gray background. I feel like that's kind of a new color for them. Really pretty. This might be my favorite print in the collection. And then the coral and red and the navy. Lots of big florals, little florals, strawberries, perfect for summer. I love their aqua dots and the red big check pattern. Really cute fat quarters. With 6 fat quarters, you can make a nice size project. I'll have to decide what I'm going to make with that. And that is the Sunday Stroll fabric by Bonnie and Camille. There are also a cute little quilt block foundation paper pack with a 3-inch square and a square and some ideas for blocks that you can use with it, and just tear these sheets off. It's super easy to use, and they make little tiny finished quilt blocks. This is the Town Square insert that kind of talks about all the products. This pattern is the Starflower quilt pattern, and it is actually goes along with the Summer Stroll fat quarters. And so you can also get, I believe, a finishing kit to go along with this if you want to make it exactly as shown in the pattern. One more thing before I show you my part. This is a little package of a quilt label set. They are super cute. I'm just going to open them up. And there are 12 different labels included. Really cute, on point. A few of those, and then patchwork. And then a half square triangle design. So there are 3 each of 4 different designs, 1/4 inch seam. And they're just kind of fun labels. On the back, there are also 4 different designs: a sewing machine, an iron, a pin cushion, and a spool. And I feel like you could take a permanent marker and put your name on the back here if you were gifting this to somebody. If you're keeping it yourself, you could also just really write the date when you made it with a permanent pen. And then you'd at least, if you don't have time to make a big fancy quilt label, you would at least have the date that you made it and put your name, and just sew these into the binding on the back of your quilt when you put it together. So that's a really cute and fun idea. So finally, the Sew Sampler Box traditionally have there's a coupon book too for the 5th anniversary. The Sew Sampler Boxes traditionally have a pattern that goes for 12 months, and this month's pattern is called Bright Side, and the blocks are designed by me, and it uses our Happy Days fabric. And I went ahead and put together this month's block. It's super cute, some big half square triangles and some simple squares and rectangles. Very beginner friendly if you want to make this quilt, and there is going to be a really fun setting layout for this quilt that you'll be able to see later. And you can purchase the patterns in paper and PDF if you're not a box subscriber, and there are all sorts of things to go together with this, a finishing kit and a thread set. So a really fun box. I look forward to sharing these with you each month because I'm going to be sewing along with the Bright Side Quilt Along blocks. So those are the contents of the April 2021 Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. It's a great box. This is actually their 5th anniversary of this program, and so I feel like that's why they just really, I love every month's box, but this one really went above and beyond. And I hope you're excited as I am to sew along with the Bright Side Sampler, 12 months of blocks that I designed with our Happy Days fabrics. You can get kits to make this quilt, and there is also a thread set that I'll have linked and all of the goodies that go along with that sampler. That you can get the patterns and all of the items in today's box except for, I believe, the bonus pattern. Everything else you can get from Fat Quarter Shop even if you're not subscribed. So if you like this video, please share it with a friend. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.